okay? One I want to call special attention to our buddy bench. Noah, would you stand up, please, for a minute? Noah Steadman, would you stand up? I think Troy School owes a special thank you to this young man for being as perseverant and responsible as he was. He didn't add a lot of what happened last year to try to get the buddy bench for all of us at Troy School. Noah back, I want to say last spring, wrote a letter to me asking and explaining to me why the buddy bench was important. And it would help students outside of recess who really needed to take a break. And there was no place outside for students to rest and relax if they wanted to. So it made sense. That was in the spring. Dr. Stone, over the summer, looked and looked and looked because things don't come easy, right? Things don't come easy. So we looked for things and ways to fund the bench. And even over the summer, Noah piped in and persisted and persevered and asked where the bench was at. So we owe Noah a big round of applause for helping us get our bench. Nice job, Noah. The real message for the girls I want to get across to you is nothing is impossible if you really put your mind to something, okay? If you really set your mind to doing something and you dream big, nothing is impossible, okay? So congratulations, nice job, Noah.